Hello, and welcome to this short overview about QFTest version 5.1. Our latest version mainly contains improvements to our codebase. We put our focus especially on embedded browsers. Previously, their integration into QFTest was different from each other and sometimes tedious, depending on which embedded browser was used. Now, actions like checks or text fetches work out of the box in JavaFX WebView, SWT-Browser, and JxBroswer. Additionally, version 5.1 now completely supports JxBroswer 7. If your application integrates the JxBroswer, don't hesitate to incorporate it into your tests. Also, we made further improvements to our Electron testing, featuring most prominently our added support for native dialogs. Further changes, like the added Java 15 support, are available on our website at Documentation Release Notes. Stay healthy and have a nice day.